What is up, everybody? Guess who's back? So today is that BMW I've been talking about so much lately. Shit, he debadged it. I can't tell you. I think it's a 5 Series. Basically he's in for an initial cause or initial complaint was a dead alternator, and I'm gonna have to recharge the battery as well. He asked if I recommended any other type of services at this mileage, and I said, you know, spark plugs don't hurt. Obviously a V-belt if I'm gonna go ahead and replace the alternator, and he went ahead and brought me some brakes, pads and rotors. So basically, yeah, I got my work cut out for me for today and tomorrow. First things first, I gotta get this battery out of here, get it on the charger, because you know, with the alternator not charging at all, it's just gonna continue to kill the battery. But I gotta get something to prop that hood up, because the thing's gonna keep falling and it's gonna fall on my head. I'm gonna want to fucking murder somebody. Oh, reliable. Good enough for this place. All right, so first things first, battery. Pull that out, throw it on the charger. That way, as I do everything, we're gonna bring that battery back to life. He says he took the battery somewhere to get tested, and it actually tested good a couple days ago. So I'm just gonna do that. One thing I wanted you guys to check out was this little vehicle here my pops is building for a buddy of ours. What year is this thing? It's a 90. It's a 1990 Toyota rear-wheel drive 4-door Toyota Cressida. Check it out. It's right there behind me. This she looks a little worn. She definitely is. She's got some miles on her, but this thing started off, it came to us as a rolling shell, and he basically bought my pop's old setup, which was an Aristo 2JZ GTE non-VVTi, and with a huge Borg Warner turbo on it. I can't remember the exact trim of it. I think it's a 60 something if I'm not mistaken. But here, let's check it out. For those of you who have never seen a Cressida in person before, man, that hood's heavy. I gotta tell you, there's a lot of fucking room for activities back there in that fucking engine bay. It's insane. Once we dropped that 2J in there, I couldn't believe how much extra room there was still left over. I mean, you can easily fit. I mean, it's so big. As much as an LS fan as I am, I honestly don't think anybody would have problems dropping in a fucking Coyote. And I know those V8s are fucking massive because of, you know, being overhead cam or whatnot. You know, and LSs are tiny. You could put that in just about anything. But anyways, let's see. Negative first. Positive. Actually, I might not even take this battery out. I'm just gonna hook the charger directly up to it, because this battery looks heavy as fucking balls. Good thing I got an outlet right there. Battery's on the charger right now. We have 6 spark plugs, 6 coil packs, front and rear brake pads, and brake rotors for the rear. These fronts are gonna go get cut at the same place I took the SE rotors to get cut. There's a really fucking awesome place, and I was happy with the results. But as far as the alternator goes, I'm gonna knock out the alternator, spark plug, and coil packs today. It's gonna be an easy day today. I hope I didn't just jinx myself, but alternator's right there at the top. It's fucking awesome. I don't have to lift the vehicle. Looks like I just maybe removed the air box, and that's it. Air box. Looks like we have a fucking Torx, a flathead on the intake tube there. I'll unplug the sensor. Got another Torx right there. I'll have to remove the lid to get to that one. And that should be it. Oh, this thing's been on here forever. There we go. A lot of trash in there. Let's see if I have the right fucking Torx bit, because I don't work on Mercedes, BMWs, or Volkswagen, so Torx bits aren't exactly a fucking priority for us. This might be it. It still feels a little loose. Let me try the next one out. And I think that was it, yeah. Cool, of course. Let me get a 1/4 inch drive. Wow, that was fucking brutal. That's gonna get some anti-seize before it goes back in. So, belt tensioner, I need a T60. Pull out the old trusty Craftsman set. Fuck. I have to go to AutoZone now and go buy a Torx bit. Story of my life. Fucking German cars. Alright, well I might as well go get something to eat now too, so let's hit the road. Gotta undo this weird ass shit. It's like they have a fucking thumb screw on here. Is it like a thumb screw? I don't get what BMW is trying to accomplish here. And this is exactly why I want to get an E36 and fucking Jay-Z swap it. Am I supposed to do this with a fucking pair of pliers? Well, time for more fucking Googling, because I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I don't know who the fucking genius is that thought this would be a good fucking idea, but I'm pissed. This is fucking bullshit. That's definitely not going back in there. I'm putting an actual real bolt. That was fucking annoying. There. That took way longer than it should have. Alright, so for the most part they look the same. I just gotta remove this fucking pulley, put it on that hole right there. actual belt is about halfway and I got no room, so I'm using this long ass screwdriver to kind of like push the belt in place where I need it to sit. And I gotta take this end and go around the alternator, which again I really have no fucking idea how I'm supposed to do that. Fucking A, man. What time is it? 4:25. This car came here at 1:30. That's literally the gayest fucking shit I've ever done in my life. So, trying to figure out this fucking tensioner. Like, trying to find where to put the ratchet to fucking pull on it to release the tension. Fucking drove me up the wall. I didn't realize there's a little plastic cap covering the I think it was a T50 Torx bolt in the center of the pulley that I had to put the ratchet on to pull it. It took me forever to fucking find that. Nobody on YouTube did this car before. And initially I just cut the fucking belt off, the old one off. And then, you know, I was like, fuck it, I'll figure it out once I get the alternator out. Then I saw the pulley on the alternator. I was like, shit, will do you adjust tension with the alternator? Nope. That's just an idler pulley. No adjustment on it. Then finally I took a pocket screwdriver and just fucking started picking at that plastic cap because I had an assumption. Sure enough, it came off and there it was. There's another fucking bolt. Well, even then I wasn't sure that's what I had to pull. I was like, you know what, fuck it. I took it out first of all and looked at it. I'm like, okay. Then I put it back in. I was like, you know what, fuck it, let me just pull the shit out of it. If I break it, it's just a fucking tensioner. And sure enough, I put the ratchet with a cheater bar on it, and I was pulling it and I was getting worried that I'm like over torquing the bolt and I'm gonna fucking snap it any minute. But sure enough, I saw the tensioner give way a little bit more and keep giving way, and finally I was able to fucking slip the belt on. Alternator's all tight. I did have to pull off the upper radiator hose that goes to the water pump. That was fucking annoying. I can't believe BMW uses that stupid ass fucking C-clip for that. It's just, there's no clamp. You just pull that retaining clip out right there, and that's all it's holding that stupid fucking hose on. Anyway, so yeah, the alternator is plugged in. I got the main positive hooked up with an actual nut, not that stupid ass fucking thumb screw. Both belts are on. Now I just gotta put in the air box, plug in the airflow meter, put some of these fucking tools away, and then I'll get started on the spark plugs because I still want to give the battery some more time to charge. And then go ahead and do the spark plugs, the coil packs, and then after that should have been plenty of time. I'll put the battery charger on jump start and fire this thing over. Hopefully it fires up on the first hit, and there's no check engine light or alternator light. So let me get started on the spark plugs now. All right, started the spark plugs and coil packs. Just got the coil packs out. I just thought it was funny how these are the numbers I wrote on here back when I did the valve cover gasket on this car. I was living in New York, and that was like, I want to say 6 years ago. So I'm pretty sure I'm the last person that was here doing the valve cover gasket. So I'm about to change out the spark plugs now. I gotta clean all this crap out for the cabin air filter. And I think that's gonna be it for today. Tomorrow's gonna be the brake job. So I gotta come back here tomorrow morning and start that ASAP.
I'm the trash man. I come out, I throw trash all over the ring, and then I start eating garbage.